Hello guys, this is Adam again. If somebody else watched a little bit previously, you would know that my system hung up and I have to redo it again. So anyhow, coming back to the subject, I have done a video on child marriage in Islam previously. It is actually live on Facebook as well as on YouTube, and a lot of people actually came back by refuting this point and saying, it is allowed to marry but you cannot have intercourse with. Now, this is another problem, another subject, but once again, we have to see what Quran is saying on this subject, and let's see, because obviously this is a very important subject in itself. This is a very important subject in itself, and if we have to look at it from Quran itself. This is the verse of the Quran that I shared previously. This is the verse of the Quran that I shared previously, and and you can see that. Um, Here we go. And it says, it's chapter number 65, verse number 4, and it says, and those who no longer expect menstruation among your women, if you doubt, then the period is 3 months. And for those who have not menstruated, who have not menstruated. That's how simple it is. That is how simple it is. But once again, people would actually deny that because obviously they have to. If they would not deny, how will they have a nice religion? Basically, that's how it is. How will they have a nice religion? So anyhow, look at this one first before we go further. And it says, and those who have not yet menstruated, this is Tafsir al-Jalalain for the same verse, chapter number 65, verse number 4, and who have not yet menstruated because of their young age, because of what? Because of what? Read it again. Because of what? Because of their young age, their waiting period is what? Their waiting period is still 3 months. Their waiting period is still 3 months. I think it was clear, but once again, we look at another tafsir. This is Tafsir Ibn Abbas. Look at the highlighted yellow part. Do not have menstruations because they are too young. What? They are what? They are what? They are too young. Because of what? Underline part, next verse. Because of young age, their waiting period is 3 months. What is it saying? Because of what? Because of what? Because of young age. Because of young age. Now, the problem is pretty easy. Even if we look at the Asbabul Nazul of this verse, it says, Messenger of Allah, some women came to the Messenger of Allah and they said, who are they? Who said what? There are other women who do not have menstruations. And what? Because of they are too young. You can read the yellow part by yourself as well. You can read the yellow part by yourself as well. That's how easy it is. But once again, those people came back and they said, no, these women were actually these women were what? These women were actually they were not having sex with these children. They were not having sex with these children. You have to read the verse very carefully. This is called idda. The word is idda. The waiting period is called idda. And now let's see what the Quran is actually saying about this particular situation. And this is Quran verse chapter number 33, verse number 49. And it says what? O you who have believed, whom you marry, believing women, and then divorce them before you have touched them, then there is not for you any waiting period to count concerning them. What is it saying? What is it saying? That if you have not touched them, then there is not for you for any waiting period to count concerning them. Any waiting period concerning them. What does this verse says? It says, and those who no longer expect menstruation among your women, if you doubt, then their period is 3 months. And for those who have not yet menstruated, their period is 3 months. Their period is 3 months. Now you guys come back to me and you guys said, you can marry them before they are adult, before they are the age of 9, but you cannot have sex with. Whereas Quran is clearly saying, let me show you this verse again so that we will not have any doubt. Chapter number 33, verse number 49. What does it says? It says, oh, who have believed, when you marry believing women and then divorce them before you have touched them, then there is not for you any waiting period to count concerning them. Now, obviously, Quran verse will not be sufficient because a lot of people will come back and say, you have to look at hadith, you have to look at tafsir, you have to look at blah, 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 blah. So let's look at a couple of tafsirs before we close this session. I want to keep it short because I have done a full half-hour video on this subject. I just want to answer this specific point for these people. And this is chapter number 33, verse number 49. This is Tafsir Ibn Abbas. We'll start from Tafsir Ibn Abbas and we'll go further. And it says, if you wed a believing woman without naming the amount of their dowry, etc., etc., before you had sexual intercourse with them, if you do not have sexual intercourse with them, then what? There is no period that you should reckon by counting the months of the period of maturation. Okay, that's number one. Sorry, this was not. This was actually Ibn Abbas. Now look at Jalalain. What does Jalalain says? Jalalain says, here comes Jalalain, and it says, or you believe, if you marry believing women and then divorce them before you have touched them, read etc, 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 that before you have coupled with them, means had sex with them, then there will be no waiting period. This is Tafsir al-Jalalain. Once again, we look at Asbabul Nazul. Let's see what Asbabul Nazul is saying. Oh, there is not even an Asbabul Nazul for that, because probably these two verses are very clear. So this is it says you have coupled with them, there's no waiting period. Ibn Abbas is saying what? Ibn Abbas is saying, before you had sexual intercourse with them, then what will happen? There should be no waiting period. There should be what? There should be no waiting period. There should be no waiting period. That's what it says. Once again, what does Quran verse initially said 65:4? And those who no longer expect menstruations among women, if you doubt their waiting period is 3 months, and also for those who had not yet menstruated, so they are young. Islam not only allows child marriage, but you can have sex with the children. I have shown that in my longer video, which is called Child Marriage in Islam, which is called Child Marriage in Islam. And this is how clear it is.